I wanted a compost bin that was easy to clean, would look good on my counter, and is just the right size to hold a lot of compost, but not too much so it gets too stinky. And this meets all of my expectations. The Joseph compost bin. You can latch it in your cupboard, but I just slide it in. The handle's very easy to use. At the top, it has this little opening if you want to have air run through it. I usually keep that closed. Here you can see those grates open. Now I also love the handle, very easy to pick up and move around my kitchen to wherever I'm working. It's very thin and streamlined. A surprisingly nice minimalist piece for your kitchen. Now to put in the bag, you can just take off the top and choose whichever compostable bags you prefer to use. And it just slides